How to freeze or unfreeze your voice card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you lost your voice card or just want to pause it temporarily, well, in today's video I will show you how to freeze or unfreeze your voice debit card in seconds. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, just tap on the cards tab at the bottom menu. And now here, once inside the card section, you'll see the option called freeze card. So tap on it and boom, your card will be instantly frozen and no one can use it while it's frozen, not even you. And here, just in case if you found your card, you can just tap on freeze card and you will be back in business, and it takes effect immediately and your card will be ready to use again. And freezing your card is perfect when you're traveling, misplace your wallet, or just want some extra security. And that's it. Freezing or unfreezing your Wise card is fast, easy, and gives you a peace of mind. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.